A transformer converts low voltage to high voltage and vice versa. But how are these transformers made? There are only a handful of companies in the world which have the facilities to build transformers of the highest voltage class. In the Dutch city of Nijmegen, Royal SMIT have been manufacturing transformers for over a century. In this factory, over 700 people work daily to build the world's largest transformers, mainly by hand. No transformer is identical. They are prevalently custom-built to each customer's needs. During the pre-assembly stage, the steel exterior of the transformer, also known as the tank, is built, together with its cooling system, measuring instruments, and necessary piping. The magnetically conductive components of the transformer are built at the core steel department. The transformer core is constructed by stacking metal sheets just 1/4 millimeter thick on top of one another like a jigsaw puzzle. After vertical placement of the transformer core, the assembly is complete. The winding department begins building the copper windings. This is done using horizontal and vertical winding machines. The copper windings are insulated with paper insulation material. These windings are the electrically conductive parts of the transformer and will be placed around the core at a later stage. The windings are then brought to the coil assembly, where they are radially stacked from the inside to the outside and clamped together to create a winding set. The winding sets are placed on the transformer core, and this creates the so-called active part. In the active part department, tap changers and conductor leads are added to complete the final active part. The paper of the high voltage insulation absorbs moisture from the air, which is undesirable in high voltage applications. Therefore, the completed active part is dried in an oven. During the final assembly, the active part is placed in the tank. Other parts, such as the cooling radiators, oil expansion vessel, and bushings, are also installed during this stage. Once the assembly is finished, the tank will be completely filled with oil. Because of their high weight, the transformers are transported throughout the factory premises on a special air-cushioned transport system. When the transformer is ready for operation, it's first tested in a high-voltage laboratory located on the premises. During these tests, voltages can reach as high as 2 million volts. After being thoroughly inspected, the transformer is then partly deassembled to prepare it for shipping. Finally, the transformer is ready to begin its journey to its final destination, anywhere in the world.